love.
Come on now.
It's important that you also understand yourself, because you can't love me if you don't know how to love yourself. And they said one example that you can take from a person that you meet on their gauge of how they love or have the ability to love is that you look at how they treat the people around them. You look at how they treat their mother and their father and their sisters and their brothers, because that's a red light indication on what you're headed to. That's a red light indication on what you don't get. Because it's like Flip Wilson. It's not always what you see, what you don't get. Come on now. It's not always what you see, it's what you don't get. And there has to be more emphasis placed on being spiritual rather than the physical appearance and the outer appearance of people.
Come on.
Because I'll go back that up with some scripture. It says that the Lord in 1 Samuel sees not man, paraphrasing, with his eyes. God do not look at us in the fashion that we look at each other. God looks at your heart, not the outer appearance. God looks at the heart of the person. But how many shallow Hals do we have in the room? Y'all remember the movie? How many shallow Hals do we have in the movie? How many shallow Susies do we have in the movie? Because if that's what you're looking for, baby, that's what you're going to get. I've had it. It took me 40 years of my life to